we will call flag the new flag set to create a subcommand. First argument, we will give this subcommand name. Let's give it a name 4. Second, we will pass arrow handling. It's flag the exit on arrow. We will store this subcommand to a variable. Let's give it a name 4cmd. Let's create a flag for this subcommand. We will call the 4cmd the string to create a string flag. Let's give it a name and a default value. Let's give it a gem. Description. Let's give it a value name. We will store this flag to a variable for name. Let's create a second subcommand. Flag the new flag set. Let's give it a name bar. Arrow handling also is flag the exit on arrow. Let's create a variable bar cmd to store this subcommand. Let's create a flag for this subcommand. Bar age equal to bar cmd int. So this is a integer flag. Let's give it a name age. Default value, let's give it a 10. Description, let's give it an age. Let's add a if statement. If the length of the arguments os.args is less than 2, it means there is only one argument. The first argument is always the program's name. It means in command line, user not input arguments. So we will print out expect for or bar subcommand, and we will call os.exit to exit the program. Let's add a switch statement to check a subcommand is whether bar or full. So os.args, and the subcommand is the second argument in this args, so its index number is 1. Let's add a first case. If the subcommand is full, we will call the full cmd the parse and the os.args. So the flags is after the subcommand. It starts from the third elements in this args, so its index number begin 2 colon. And let's add a second case. If the subcommand is bar, we will call the bar cmd the parse os.args. It also begins from the third elements from this args, so its index number begins from 2. Let's add a default case. Default. And let's just copy this. It means if the subcommand is not a full or bar, it will exit the program. Last, we will add a if statement. If the full cmd the parsed, so it means the subcommand is full. Then we will print out the full name is full name. Because this full name is a pointer, so let's add the asterisk in front of it to get the value this pointer point at. If the bar cmd parsed, it means the subcommand is bar, so let's print out bar age the asterisk bar age. In terminal, let's go run the let's input the subcommand full. Let's add a flag Name, let's give it a value Joe. Let's press enter. You can see it will print out full name Joe. And let's run again. This time we will input a subcommand bar, and the flag is age. Let's give it a value 30. Let's press enter. This time you can see it will print out bar age 30. This is about subcommand. Hope to see you next time.